How to use Meta AI in Messenger. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Messenger app on your device. Now look at the bottom right and click on Meta AI and enter your prompt and hit the send button. Shortly after, Meta AI will generate a response or image based on your input. If you want to save the image, simply click on the download button and your image will be saved. Additionally, you can interact with the AI message. To do this, press and hold on the image. Here you will have several options. You can react to the message, reply to it, or forward it to someone else. Moreover, if you click on more, here you can remove the message or mark the AI response as good or bad to improve the future suggestion. Finally, repeat the process whenever you want AI responses, and there you go. I hope this video helped.